Hello friends, I am Professor S.R. Shinde from KKV College of Agriculture Business Management, Nashik. So friends, today we are going to discuss on another topic, that is functions, deficiency symptoms and toxicity of plant nutrients. So let's discuss about functions as well as deficiency symptoms and toxicity symptoms of specifically macronutrients. Let's see. Let's start with first macronutrient, that is nitrogen. Its symbol is capital N. So functions of nitrogen are: it is the constituent of chlorophyll and also alkaloids. And for the formation of amino acid, proteins and nucleic acid, there is a beneficial role of nitrogen. And it imparts the vegetative growth and green coloration to the plants. Now, which are the deficiency symptoms of nitrogen? So, uh, under deficiency of nitrogen, stunted growth may be observed, then restricted foliage and pale and yellow-green coloration is also observed, and due to that maybe low yields are observed. Then toxicity symptoms of nitrogen are: there is a excess vegetative growth due to high amount of nitrogen, then delay in maturity, and it induces the disease susceptibility. Next nutrient is phosphorus. Functions of phosphorus are: structural component of nucleic acids, coenzymes, phosphoproteins, and phospholipids. And it also acts as a energy storage and transformation. Then increase root growth and early maturity is the main function of phosphorus nutrient. And deficiency symptoms of phosphorus are: there will be a restricted growth of plant tops and roots due to deficiency of phosphorus. Then bluish green or dark green color on older leaves may be observed, and suppressed lateral buds are observed. And toxicity symptoms of phosphorus are: may lead to iron chlorosis, and deficiency of zinc is occurs due to toxicity of phosphorus. Next macronutrient is potassium. Its symbol is capital K. Functions of potassium are like enzyme activation, water relations, energy regulations, etc. Then it also functions in translocation of sugars, then nitrogen uptake and protein synthesis, starch synthesis also. Then it increases the resistance to diseases and heat and moisture stress. Now, deficiency symptoms of potassium are like stunted and bushy plants, then leaf margins turns brown and dry slender stems. Chlorotic mottling to tree leaves is also one of the deficiency symptom of potassium. Toxicity symptoms of potassium are not common and not known to cause adverse effect. Next macronutrient is calcium. So it is the constituent of the cell wall, then required for cell elongation and cell division and membrane stabilization also. And it also acts as the activator of enzymes. Deficiency symptoms of calcium are: we can see the retarded growth of tops and roots due to there will be, if there is a deficient amount of calcium. Then chromosome abnormality is also one of the deficiency symptom of calcium. Then toxicity symptom of calcium is iron chlorosis in plants may be occur due to maximum quantity of calcium. Next macronutrient is magnesium. Its functions are: it is the constituent of chlorophyll, then it is also activator of enzyme and in formation of polypeptide chain. There is a main role of magnesium. Then magnesium also helps in transport of phosphorus. This is a important function of magnesium. Then its deficiency symptoms are: intervernal chlorosis of leaves is observed due to deficiency of symptoms. Then also chlorotic mottling and leaves turn brown and finally necrotic. These are the different deficiency symptoms of magnesium. There is one toxicity symptom of magnesium, that is toxicity observed specifically in alkali soil. So magnesium is toxic in especially in alkali soils. The next macronutrient is sulfur. So synthesis of sulfur containing amino acids, enzymes, biotin, thiamine is the main function of sulfur. Then it is a part of pyridoxine. is important objective. Then increase oil content. Then pungent odor in onion is observed due to sulfur, and then garlic is also due to sulfur compound and required for synthesis of chlorophyll. So next is deficiency symptoms of sulfur. So stunted and thin stem plants may be observed due to deficiency of sulfur. Then chlorosis in young leaves. Also first curling of margins, orange reddish tints on older leaves. These are the different deficiency symptoms of sulfur. Now let's see the toxicity symptoms of sulfur. If there is a toxicity of sulfur, then intravenousal yellowing and burning of plant tissue and also abscission is observed. And important toxicity symptom of sulfur is due to toxic amount of sulfur, there will be a occurrence of acute disease of rice. Here we have covered the functions, deficiency symptoms and also toxicity symptoms of macronutrients only. I hope you all like this video. In next lecture we will see the functions, deficiency symptoms and also toxicity symptoms of micronutrients. Thank you.